Hello, it's Shannon Cobb from Shannon Cobb Networker Solutions, and today you're in for a rant. I never do rants because I'm a rambler and I'm a talker, but today I got a few notes to keep me on track from rambling because I really want your feedback on this. I've been getting a lot of people pitching me and telling me about these call centers that close their leads for them or that sign up people into their teams. And I'm not going to mention any names because there's probably, unfortunately, several of these things out there. And I just feel like it's really demeaning to what we do in network marketing. And that doesn't build rapport, trust, and credibility with people. So I kind of made some notes so I can stick to it. And I really want your feedback on this. Not only, if you're involved in it, great. Tell me why you're involved in it, but just don't leave any links below because, it's not really the place for that. But I do want to see and get the feedback of people who actually do this, if they use them, if they did use them, why they're not anymore. So here we go. The first thing that comes to mind when someone else is, who's closing my leads for me, where's the retention in that? Where's the trust and credibility and the loyalty to me? Because I teach people how to build a brand and how to turn their leads and prospects into followers, but also people who do business with you and know, like, and trust you. So it kind of, for me, it just kind of really contradicts building a business, because if I want to go to the gym, for example, little story, if I want to get in shape and I want to, feel good about myself and be healthy, build my muscles up, kind of like you'd build your muscles in your business when you're new and you don't know exactly how to recruit and how to approach and how to close, you need training to do that. So a call center is not going to do that. But if I was going to go to the gym, I wouldn't send, if I wanted to go to the gym and get fit, I'm sure not going to send somebody else for me to do some bicep curls. How does that strengthen my muscles? It doesn't. So I just think this is like the silliest, most moronic call centers closing your leads. I think that's just the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. And I just want to leave you with this. If you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. And if you teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime. So weigh in below. Let me know what you think. Do you want to fish and know how to do that for a lifetime and be taught to fish? Or do you want someone else doing your fishing for you?